6:16, everybody, on a Saturday morning. We'll begin in Holland, nearby the lakeshore, of course, where we've got just a few clouds passing on by. Winds are light yet again, and temperatures, they are up there. We're talking mid to upper 60s to begin this first day of our weekend, and there's a good deal of sunshine that is going to be seen here shortly as the sun makes its arrival higher on the horizon. Muskegon over towards Chicago, Pere Marquette and South Haven. Of course, looking out over the water means that we are looking out in the direction opposite to where the sun is rising, and therefore you can't see the sun, but enough daylight that you do notice a few clouds. And our Lake Michigan forecast, if you're headed towards the water today, water temperatures, I mentioned this yesterday morning. I thought that those water temps would be increasing because we had them down in the lower 60s, but the latest observations now have those working into the upper 60s to even the lower 70s in South Haven. No surprise with the warm temperatures and the very light winds we have had over the past couple days. So you get light winds, you don't have much in the way of upwelling, and you can warm those top surface waters pretty easily. Waves today around 1 foot, maybe a couple feet by this evening. Grand Rapids on the tower cam. We've got mostly clear to partly cloudy skies with temperatures running in the middle 60s. Now, once you get northward to Big Rapids, it has dropped into the upper 50s. Tell you what, though, as we go into this afternoon, it's going to be pretty much a duplicate of yesterday. We got to 91 on Friday in GR. I think we're back to around 91 again today. Notice I've got mostly sunny, though, at 9 a.m., then just partly sunny. There's going to be some high and mid-level clouds that will be drifting in, kind of filtering that sunshine a little bit more so today versus what we've seen in recent afternoons. South winds at 5 to eventually as high as 15 miles per hour. So a slight uptick with the winds and a slight uptick with the humidity as well for this Saturday. Couple showers, yes, in the forecast. More details with the model in just a moment. New thunder shower chance later on Monday. That'll be our second system that comes on through. And then, well, into the midweek period, we're going to have some cooler temperatures. How about highs in the mid-70s, everybody, by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? It does look like the heat is going to try to re-crank it up, though, once we get towards next weekend and beyond. You'll see that there are some showers, even some embedded yellow colors there with some strikes of lightning and rumbles of thunder over north central Wisconsin, which is not that far away from us just geographically on the map, but the trajectory of all that precipitation is from south-southwest to north-northeast. So it's going to take a while for those clouds to make it in here towards midday and thereafter. These high clouds, again, there'll still be some sunshine around this afternoon, and certainly it's going to take a long time for the rainfall to make it in, though there could be an isolated renegade shower popping up this afternoon, later this afternoon into early this evening. I think the majority of what the model is showing there is likely just overmodulation, the model producing false activity. The atmosphere should be pretty capped, meaning that the air is going to be warm aloft as well as at the surface, so it's hard to get that air to rise, form the appropriate clouds that would give us a chance for a shower, though I can't rule out a very rare shower today. The better chance for some wet weather will come later on tonight to more like 8, 9, 10 o'clock and into the overnight through the first half of Sunday. That's what we've been telling you the last few days, and I think that still holds pretty well, though the coverage is not going to be tremendous. You get a cold front to come through in an overnight period, and you don't get that maximum buildup of activity out ahead of it, and that looks to be the case for us. And it's still a chance of a shower there, thunder shower into early afternoon tomorrow as the cold front works over towards the Detroit area, Sarah, and we will actually bounce back well into the 80s. There's going to be a surge on southerly winds Monday with a new system that will approach, give us a chance for thunderstorms by the evening. Once that goes through, though, we've got a 3-day stretch in the 70s. Low humidity, could be an afternoon pop-up shower any of those days, but most hours they're going to be rain-free.
Anthony, thank you. It is 6:20.